Welcome to our Next.js chatbot tutorial. Today we'll build a chatbot that emulates an autistic Gen Z gamer using Google Gemini. This chatbot will provide game knowledge, relatable responses, and a fun personality. We'll cover Google Gemini API integration in Next.js, using system prompts to define chatbot personality, handling chat history for contextual conversations, and building a custom chat UI. Let's get started. To power our chatbot, we'll use the Google Gemini API. This API enables natural language understanding and contextual conversations. So first, in a web browser, you're going to go to aistudio.google.com/API/API key, and then you'll create an API key by pressing the Create API Key button. A dialog box will pop up. You'll want to select the Google Gemini API project, and then you'll want to hit the button that says Create API Key in Existing Project. Once you've done that, press the Copy button to copy the API key to the clipboard. Next, you're going to want to create a Next.js app called Gemini Chatbot. And then in the app folder of the project, you want to create a new folder, Chatbot. And within that Chatbot folder, you want to create a route.js file. And in route.js, put the const API key equals quotation mark, and then paste your API key, and then end quotation mark. And then you're going to want to go into your command prompt and install the generative AI package within the project by running npm install @google/generative-ai. So now you're going to want to go back to route.js, and you're going to want to add these import statements and these constants. And then now we're going to create the endpoint. Once the user types out a message and hits send, the entire chat up to and including that message will be sent to this API endpoint, which will then send it and the system instruction, which tells the model how to respond to user messages to Gemini. This endpoint will return a stream of the chatbot's response, kind of like video streaming. So you're going to want to define export async function post, and then this is the code to call the Google Gemini SDK from within that function. Next, we're going to create a chat container component. So go back to your app folder and create a new file called chatcontainer.js and add this code into the chat container file. So now go back to page.js and make it look like this. Yep. This is cool, isn't it? Now let's test the application. So go ahead and run the dev server, load it into your browser, and I'm just going to type out an example message right here. Tell me all about video games. And hit send. And yeah, this is what roughly it should look like. And if I hit refresh, that should happen. In this tutorial, we integrated Google Gemini for AI responses, created a chatbot that is gaming themed, and built a chat UI with history. Next, we can enhance chatbot interactivity by adding the ability to upload images. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Let's keep learning and growing together.